SpaceX has become well known for trailblazing new firsts for the space industry, but when the rocket company launches its next mission, it will be the U.S. Air Force's weather forecasting team that makes history. For the first time, all 6 members of the 45 TIS Space Wing's launch weather team are female. The Air Force team has made critical decisions for hundreds of rocket launches, always with at least one man among their ranks. But for the next SpaceX launch scheduled for Saturday morning, these 6 women will decide if the weather is clear. Major Emily Graves, Captain Nancy Zimmerman, Airman First Class Hannah Mulcahey, Arlena Moses, Melody Lovin and Jessica Williams. It's a testament to how far we've come, in the space industry and the Air Force, Zimmerman, the 45th Space Wing's launch weather director, told CNBC. Looking back into the 50s and 60s, that was 100% male-dominated, then slowly but surely we've started introducing more females into the space industry. The journey to this point has been different for each member of the team, but all 6 emphasize that they hope it can serve as an inspiration to other women. Moses, the 45th Space Wing's lead launch weather officer, said that especially, as a person of color, there are a lot of preconceived notions about who you are and what you can do and what you're capable of. Oftentimes, as a female and as a person of color, you have to work a little harder to show them that you can stand toe-to-toe with everybody else, Moses said. This group of women has a critical job in supporting rocket launches, as they decide whether the often volatile weather near Florida's Space Coast is clear for liftoff. In addition to being scientists, all 6 women must have a clear understanding of the myriad of different weather combinations that can scrub a launch. Scrub is how the industry describes a no-go call that postpones a launch. My favorite part honestly is when there's a lot of weather going on, the 45 TIS launch weather commander Graves told CNBC. Then it's a busy launch and we get to make a call, going from a no-go back to a go status. It's a busy and intense moment, like this really long sprint that we're all doing together and we're all in sync and it just feels like you're saving the world. Graves oversees the weather team, acting as a liaison between them and senior Air Force leadership during the mission. Zimmerman explained that the weather team has a twofold mission, supporting operations on the ground by communicating how weather could damage assets and then providing logistical support through all stages of the launches, she said. That includes 3 broad stages, which the 45th Space Wing categorizes as generation, execution and recovery. We provide weather support for the SpaceX barges to go out and recover those rocket parts, Zimmerman said. The 45th Space Wing is stationed at Patrick Air Force Base in Florida and manages the Eastern Range, a designated U.